What is up, everybody? Yes, here I am with another update. Not modeling. Finally, the pod showed up. It was supposed to be here Friday. Took that day off. It was supposed to be here Saturday. Took that day off. Wasn't here. Finally showed up today, and a lot easier to get everything out than in. How do I flip this camera over? I don't know, but I'll show you this way. I'll go this way. I'll just go backwards. That is 3 rows deep. There's a couch, Mom's Christmas tree. My modeling stuff jammed in the corner. We got stuff all over here. But Kelly made a mistake and she said something and I caught it. And then my mom was like, no, don't tell him, don't tell him. So they're up to no good. So I don't think it'll be as long as I think it will be. Next step is to get all of Mom's stuff out of these bins and somewhere that she can use all her stuff to make her feel more comfortable and at home, even though she is at home. Here she's always at home. Got to take care of Mom. Like I said, she took care of me as a kid. Unfortunate circumstances with Dad passing away, so now it's time to take care of Mom and make sure she's kept happy and healthy and all that other good stuff. We want Mom around a long time. So thank you, everybody, for all the support during this and willing to hang around until I'm able to get back to the bench, which I will be getting back to the bench, no doubt about that. We'll be doing live streams, reviews, all that other good stuff again. It's just going to be a matter of time. And 3D printing, that's all tucked away in the corner there too. And if you haven't, come over to shop.hobbylinkinternational.com. We got some good sales going on. That's pretty much what's going on here. So I'll keep you updated. I'm not going to disappear. I'll let you know. I'll throw up small videos, let you know how things are going. Again, thank you guys for all the support during this, especially with my father's passing. Everybody's been very supportive, more than supportive about everything and other things that are going on that you were very supportive about. So I will talk to you guys all soon. Take care and bye-bye, everybody.